So we have lots of offerings for SMEs, but I think it's always what do they need in terms of finance, access to finance, how to transact, how to receive cash flow and payments. So I think from a Standard Bank perspective, we've got transactions, we've got lending, we've got savings, we've got all sorts of solutions to help small businesses. But I think specifically we have our BizConnect site that actually helps small businesses to navigate the difficult terrain they have to deal through. In terms of the BizConnect site, it actually allows them lots of information in terms of business tools, cash flow projections, business plans, and so forth. If we look at Standard Bank and the partnership with Business Day, the SME Summit, I think it's just grown over the years. We started off in 2 years ago. This is our third summit that we're joining. And we've seen how it's grown, the value is added to small businesses in terms of growing them, helping them to actually understand and navigate through the difficult changes in the business world, how to deal with big corporates as a small business owner. And I think the real value goes to the small businesses, which helps our economy grow in South Africa. Definitely digitization. I think just coming from an earlier talk now with Dion Cheng, he's talking about a digital world, and if businesses say they're actually starting to get into the digital world now, they've actually missed the boat. It started 10 years ago or even longer. And they really need to start saying, how do we focus on digitization in their business, how to make it easier for them to receive payments and make payments, how do they actually help their customers to get more convenient buying and selling through online stores and so forth. So digitization is definitely the future and has been for some time now. So as I just said now, they can obviously online markets, they can get their goods onto the online store and get it sold there, which will make it easier and more convenient, maybe even more cost effective for them. How does Standard Bank help them? We've actually got what we call Simply Blue. And our Simply Blue product allows you to actually develop a website, an online store within 48 hours. And it takes some businesses months, 3, 6, even a year to get an online store going. And Standard Bank has Simply Blue that will really help the small businesses get them off the ground from an online digitization perspective. In terms of the information sharing, getting thought leaders or business leaders to come and give them talks to say how to navigate, that you can fail, but you've got to get up again and move forward. So I think from a SME Summit in a Standard Bank perspective, how to help small business at the summit really gives them information to go out there, take the risks, but ensure that they take good risks and make their businesses grow.